Pretty good for total made in SimLabs. So we have smooth operation, painted it myself, pretty Kelly green or metallic green overlap. It's going to be a good pole. One flip and it doesn't twist, and the hose will fit in here, patent pending. This is the top section. One flip, clamp comes out. So this is the prototype one of TomaHawk. We'll be sending it out for testing by a famous window cleaner, water-fed, fastest window cleaner in the world. Get it out on Monday. After testing, we'll probably go into production. Think of supporting SimLabs, your local water-fed pole manufacturer.